And welcome back to our platform short, where we try to provide you a lot of information, a little bit of time. Today, we're going to get an explanation of life insurance underwriting, step by step. Have you ever asked yourself, why do life insurance companies ask so many questions before they say yes? That's the beginning of the underwriting process. We will approve you, how much it's going to cost you, and basically they're doing a risk check. That's why on the application you're going to fill out all your basic information: age, job, health, and lifestyle. And in that lifestyle area, motorcycles come up, uh, parachute people, what do you call it, jumping planes, all that stuff comes up. And if you were wondering if you were like lending somebody money, you wouldn't you want to know who they are first and what they into? Like, person say, I'm about to get deployed. If I need to borrow $5,000, I deployed to do what and with who? Now, health questions. They ask about your medical history, medications, past illnesses, and sometimes they want to request that to see the medical records at your doctor. You have to sign off on that because of HIPAA. You don't want to violate that. And sometimes they want to do just a blood pressure check, height, weight, and maybe a blood or urine sample. If a company might pay out hundreds of thousands of dollars, it does make sense to check that out. You know what I mean? Then a lifestyle review. Do you smoke? Tell you right now, last time I checked, smoking cigarettes doubles your value. Not sure about the people, the marijuana world. Skydives, race cars, race cars becomes big. So, and what kind of work you do. Some work is more riskier than others, and that risk will require, it's a high risk. Jobs will cost higher prices. So, this is how that goes. So the company puts you into a risk class of you standard or you preferred. I did a quote on someone that actually they were a smoker, but they still preferred because of the fact that they still could run like I think under 8 minutes, 8 minute mile, over age 50, very fit, but smoke cigars. So it was almost like they were 35 years old and non-smoker. That's kind of premium the person got. Now, lower risk, lower cost. Higher risk, higher cost. Makes sense, right? So the key takeaways from this short is that underwriting isn't meant to scare you away or to waste your time. It's how companies keep life insurance affordable and fair for everyone, because you don't want to pay for the risk that other people take on your policy. It's a try to distribute the risk equally amongst all the policyholders. So if you'd like someone to walk you through this step by step as we get your next life insurance policy, please reach out to me. My contact information is right here. I'd love to work with you in the state of Georgia and in the state of Alabama. Until next time, take care of yourself and God bless.